Good morning, all. Today is 24th April, Friday. Looks like some good strong sellers have entered the system. Can see some strong selling in the lower levels. Price may go lower. So as of now, I'm trying to look for the shorter opportunities if I get any setups. I'll update once I have one. All right. Yeah. Now it's 10:09. There was a strong selling and looks like a very small retracement and we might see a continuation of selling. I'm trying to get into a short position. I'm looking at 24 100 put. I'll go with the full size. Let it give a dip. Oh, probably somewhere around the end. Okay. I think so fine. Yeah, now it's fine. I'm in. Uh, the candle low will be the stop loss. Okay. It's coming down. Oh, okay. Almost instant stop loss, just like yesterday. Yeah, it's okay. We'll take it. I will make a quick journal anyway. Okay, I'll just check how much. Okay, we lost around 9,900 rupees in this trade. All right, fine. Hmm. Yeah, that was actually a good candle. But yeah, if you look at the futures candle, right, it is right at the VWAP's first band deviation on the lower side. So might give a little bounce from there. Could be. So this was the plan anyway. Unfortunately, it didn't work in our favor. But yeah, I think I don't see those buying whatever comes right now is that strong. Looks like we might see a further down move. But I'll wait. Probably I'll wait and see if I can find another one. I'll update. All right. All right. The time is around 10:38. There was some good absorption of the buyers happened. So we might see one round of selling coming down and it might probably do a new day low. I'll just wait for this candle to close on the option, and I'm probably looking for an entry in this one. It looks like a good candle. Another 15 seconds more to go. Yeah, I'm looking at 24 100, which is the same strike which I attempted earlier. I'll be ready. Candle is closed. Okay, that is a good candle close. I think just let it give a little dip. I'll wait for it. So, some nice selling is there. Let it come down. Okay. Okay, the target is actually 265.7, I think. Yeah, okay. Oh, sorry, 265.45 it is. All right. All right. Yeah, currently yeah, it's slightly around the entry price only. The previous trade was actually around 9,900 rupees low. So yeah, now it's currently running at 17K minus total. Let's wait anyway. I think we might get to see one more round of selling coming in. The structure looks good, setup looks good, but the problem is it is very near to the stop loss now. Almost there. Yeah, went to 20,000 now negative. 21,000 it went. Oh, I think almost it went close. What was the low it made? It made almost 241 change it went. Okay. Okay, now it's taking a support from the EMA, which is good. Okay, back to break even now. All right, that's a very good candle actually. This is what we say, like we when we define some set of rules, right? We probably some point of time our brain will get trained to get adapted with it to follow it, knowingly or unknowingly. See, it almost came down till the level, it's like I mean almost like 50-60 paise from the SL. And from there it bounced. So yeah, because it's fine. I thought like yeah, the SL is there anyway, so I don't have to actually think much about it at that point of time. So yeah, so it took me some burden off my head. Basically, I don't have to make a decision at that point of time. That's something really, will save a lot of energy for your brain. Because see, all what we need to do is, to make the, right decision at the right time, right? So it's just about trading is always about, few button clicks. People say it's well and good if you, shorten it, the number of times you use those button clicks, which means you're cutting down the basically the number of decisions you're taking during the trade, right? So once you punch the trade, this is what you're going to do when the price comes to this level or that level. So you're set with those expectations already. So this is a live example, like how it helped actually to stay calm in these sort of situations, basically. Okay, did the new day low. The question is now, can it push little down? Because we are still little away from our target in the option. It almost covered all those losses from the previous trade. Currently, it is showing around 2000 rupees negative, which means the last trade was like almost 10,000 rupees on loss, and it almost covered everything. Now we are almost like break even, and now it's like 1:1 is done on this trade. We'll have to wait. The price is around 254, 255, and our target is 265.45. So there's another 9 points left, which means in the futures, yeah, it will be like another 20 more points to go. It's a good push now. Okay, very good push. Okay. Okay, option is moving actually compared to future. Okay, there is some good selling is happening now at the option futures candle. If you look at the very last block, right, there's some good selling. Okay, the point is if there is an absorption happening from there, it might reverse. I hope it will. You look. Oh, this is what I was actually mentioning. This block. So almost like 280 plus contracts. Lots of contracts were sold at this level, and you see the price hardly moved from here, right? So but the good part is still selling is coming from there. If at this point of juncture, if there is some sort of aggressive buying is happening, right? Which means you're stopping the selling and then you're fueling on the opposite side. Those at those locations you can see a furious, return, immediate return from the absorption price level. But luckily at this point of time, I don't see aggressive buyer stepping in. I think we can hold it. Let's see how it goes. It's not a big red flag as of now. All right. And another good part is the price is still over the EMA. It is trying to sustain above it. I think after the 1035 candle, almost all the candles were above the EMA. That is another positive sign. The momentum is there on the put side. Okay, now it's trying to give a push. There's a good selling happened. 129 plus lots on the sell side, but the price is still stuck at the same spot. That's not good. Okay, so option candle is showing some good push there actually. Okay, 263. It went to 263 actually. Okay, good. Come on, man. Almost there. We're up 8,000, 6,000. Just another 2, 3 points. Okay, 63. It went to 263.6 actually. That was a high made on this candle. Oh, come on, come on. Just a little. This candle. Okay. Okay, it made a new high now. Just a little. Yeah, 64.8, 65, 65. Okay. Why it's not triggering? Okay, it went to 65.80. Okay. Should have triggered. I don't know why. Okay, I'll exit because it touched the target. I don't know. Okay. I'm closing the trade now. Hmm. I think okay. It covered all the loss and then we are up like what, like 9,857. Yeah, 9,857. It's fine. Yeah. For some reason it didn't got, I mean, the target order was not executed. I have to manually exit it. That's okay, fine. Anyway, yeah, the two scalps done and yeah, the first one was an SL and then the last one give target. So yeah, overall it was a good day, and we are closing this day with 9,800 rupees. So yeah, I think it was a good week as well. Fine. Then see you all on Monday. Till then, stay calm and trade safely. And if you like the content what I'm bringing, please consider subscribing to this channel. It will actually encourage me. Uh, all right. Okay then. Happy weekend. Bye bye.